Welcome to Homework Lib.
If we think about a rectangle, it's defined as having four right angles. It is a parallelogram. All sides do not have to be congruent, even though they can sometimes be when it's a square, but it's definitely all angles are right angles. That's its definition. Opposite sides are the same length. Diagonals are the same length as well. Opposite sides are parallel because it's a parallelogram. And consecutive sides would be sides next to each other. They're not necessarily congruent. Usually they're not. Properties of special quadrilaterals. So which ones have all sides the same length? That is the definition of the rhombus, but a square is also a rhombus, so it also has all sides congruent. Both pair of opposite sides congruent. Um, Opposite sides are congruent in a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That's a rectangle, rhombus, and square because they're all parallelograms. All angles are congruent. That's the rectangle and the square because they're all right angles. Exactly one pair of opposite sides is parallel as a trapezoid. The blank of a trapezoid is parallel to the bases, the mid-segment. And what's true for a square? All the interior angles are right angles. That's true. All sides are congruent. That is true. The diagonals are congruent. And opposite sides are supplementary. Doesn't make sense. Sides don't add up to 180 degrees as angles.